Namaste and welcome to Deepak's Creative World. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to get notifications on my new videos. So, let's begin. In this video of world's amazing locations, I'm going to take you to Badami. Badami is located in the Bagalkot district in the north-central part of Karnataka in India. Badami was previously known as Vatapi, the capital of early Chalukya dynasty which ruled the region of Badami between 6th and 12th century. One of the fascinating sights of Badami are the cave temples carved out of the sandstone rocks. These caves depict the Badami Chalukya architecture from the 6th century. The cave temples of Badami consist of a set of 4 temples which were built over a period of time. There are 3 Hindu temples and 1 Jain temple. The first Badami cave is the oldest and is dedicated to the dancing form of Shiva known as Nataraja. More than 80 different forms of Nataraja are depicted in this cave temple. The second and the third temples are dedicated to Lord Vishnu, who is depicted in the form of Trivikrama, Vamana, and Narsimha. In the third cave temple, a statue of Vishnu is seen sitting on the serpent Adisesha. The fourth temple is devoted to Lord Mahavira, the founder of Jainism. This fourth temple was built almost 100 years after the previous 3. Agastya Tirtha Lake is situated beneath the cave temples at Badami. Constructed in the 5th century, the water of the lake is believed to contain healing powers by many devotees. The Bhutnatha group of temples are a collection of sandstone temples dedicated to Lord Shiva. Situated on the eastern side of the Agastya Tirtha Lake, the Bhutnatha temple is one of the earliest examples of structural temples in South India. There are 2 major temples here. Temple number 1, which is the bigger temple, is called the Bhutnatha temple. The style resembles the blend of the North Indian and the early South Indian temple architecture, with its open mantapa extended into the Agastya lake. Temple number 2, the Mallikarjun temple, is the smaller one on the northeast side of the lake. It has the tiered pyramid structure typical of Western Chalukya architecture. Built in the 7th century, the lower Shivalaya temple is situated in the northern hill of Badami and is dedicated to Lord Ganesha. This temple is intricately carved and is the best surviving example of the Dravida style in the early Chalukya architecture. The upper Shivalaya temple, also built in the 7th century, comprises of a large rectangular sanctuary created by the outer walls of the temple with passageways on 3 sides. This temple is now a ruin and even the Shivalinga is missing. On top of a cliff opposite to the caves lies the Badami fort. This fort was built by Chalukyan king Pulakeshi in 543 AD. A magnificent view of the whole Badami city can be viewed from the fort. Badami is a suitable destination for adventure-seeking people. The red sandstone cliffs that surround the Agastya lake have horizontal cracks, which make Badami a favored destination of rock climbers. The ease in rock climbing at the sandstone cliffs of Badami has earned it the title the Mecca of rock climbing among local as well as international rock climbing enthusiasts. That is all for this episode. Hope you found this video useful. Like and share this video and also subscribe to Deepak's Creative World. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.